The Pyramid 3550 SmartSite Time Clock and Document Stamp has everything you need to start tracking employee time and stamping documents, including 25 time cards, 1 ribbon, and 2 security keys. Record up to 4 punches per day for each employee, or stamp the date and year on important paperwork. Choose from 14 preset message options. The patented SmartSite alignment features ensures perfectly aligned timestamps with a viewing window and red LED light. And the adjustable document feed handles various size paper. The Pyramid 3550 handles an unlimited number of employees and automatically resets for daylight savings time and power outages. The tamper-proof security lock protects settings. Choose desktop or wall mount installation. Read our reviews. Easy to set up and use. The red light makes it simple to line up punches. Great value and quality. Stop wasting time and start tracking employee time, job costs, and stamping documents.